Hey everybody, welcome back to the vlog. Thank you so much for joining me for tea time. Today we got some ginger root and green tea. I like it. Not bad, not bad. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate each and every one of you. It's great to have you here. So today we're going to be talking about time and how time is our most valuable asset. And a lot of people just simply don't spend their time wisely, okay? Now for me, a lot of the products that I've invented over the years all have to do with time and saving myself time. And once I figured out that they work, I sell them to people like you and save you time also. Like the focus pyramid, the autofocus lens calibration tool. What did it do? Basically allows you to dial in your autofocus on a DSLR camera so that you get more good shots. So whatever you point that camera at and it locks up on, that is what's sharp. Also on the PRT. The PRT is the photo reference tool. What does it do? It allows you with one click using its dual axis color control to dial in your color exactly how you want it. Simple, right? Making it really easy instead of sliding your bars all over the place and hoping for the best. And also the new ACC product, the Aurora Camera Care product that I came out with. What does it do? It allows you to clean your lenses as well as your camera sensor safely, quickly, easily. That's it. Why? So later on in post-production, you're not sitting there taking out little black spots all over your sky, which is actually dust and debris that's sitting on your sensor, right? Saving time. That's what we want to do. So today is going to be like a life hack, something that I just stumbled across that I need to take my own advice sometimes and do. I stumbled across this because I was just starting to get tired of taking so long to download either my photos or my video. All right. So this is something that I just started doing and I want to share it with you guys and hopefully it helps you because for me, it has been life changing. This is not my product. This is a product that I just bought off of Amazon, and I'm going to tell you why I picked it up. Now, I use pretty quick SD cards as well as CF cards that are rated to, let's say, 95 megabytes per second. Right around there. I don't get the really expensive ones, but I don't get the little, the slow ones either. So 95, 100 megs per second, it's a good speed. That's good enough for what we're doing right now. So I have these, but what I've noticed is my SanDisk reader that I've had for a few years now has been reading in these images and this data or these videos at just a slow pace, right around 19 meg per second, 20 meg per second, even though the cards are rated for close to 100 meg per second. What? I'm going to roll some footage here so you can see some testing that I did. I'm going to roll the first one. You're going to see the SD card, the same SD card that's running at 95 meg per second, but you'll see that it's downloading here at 20 meg, 19 meg per second. Now, these 12 gigabytes of video files, they will download in about 10 minutes. That's not fantastic. Now, the brand new reader that I just picked up, which is a Lexar Professional. It's a dual card reader. As you can see here, it is loading these images in or transferring these images at close to 90 plus megabytes per second. Almost the full amount of the capacity of this card, right? And look at the amount of time. It says 2 minutes. So guys, we have 10 minutes to download these 12 gigs, or we have 2 minutes. 10 minutes, 2 minutes. You're looking at like a fifth. Right? What a mega difference in the amount of time. Now, this is only 12 gigabytes. So let's look at it if it was like a 64 gig card. Now, 64 gig card is, let's say, about 5 times, a little bit more than 5 times larger than the 12 gig that we're currently transferring. So instead of 10 minutes with the slow card, it would take 50 minutes or a little bit more because we got 4 extra gigs. Let's call it an even 1 hour. Right, to transfer the data. Whereas with the new reader at 2 minutes for the 12, you're looking at close to, let's say, 10 minutes. So you're looking at 1 hour compared to 10 minutes. 1 hour of time to me is a lot, right? How valuable is it to you? So for me, when I go out, I charge anywhere from about $250 to $300 an hour. That's my going rate. That's what I charge. I've been doing this for 20 plus years, okay? So that 1 hour has saved me $250 to $300. That is a lot. Extrapolate that across a week. Extrapolate that across a month. These are the type of little small life hacks that we can do that not only save us aggravation and sitting around doing nothing, saving us time, which saves us money in the long run. So my advice is simply this. Take a look at your workflow, look at your studio, look at your workspace, find that bottleneck, find that thing. Maybe it is a card reader like it was for me. Find that thing that's just causing you either angst, it's giving you just a hard time, or possibly it's just eroding your time. You're sitting around waiting for it. Maybe it's a slow computer. Maybe it is the card reader, or maybe it's a card that you need to go and buy a faster card, or whatever the case might be. Find that bottleneck. I think it's a really good life hack, a really good way to just look at our space, look at our things that we do on a regular basis. I don't care if it's a professional photographer, if you're a pro-am, or if you're an amateur. Once again, time is our most valuable asset. We need to save it. We need to use it wisely. And if we're wasting it because of, here is a perfect example, a $29.95 purchase, it's ridiculous. It is absolutely ridiculous. But anyways, once again, this is not one of my products. It's just something that I just purchased. Let's say the best value I was able to find, the fastest reader for the money. And I would recommend it highly. So check it out. What I'm going to do is in the comment area below, I'm going to put a link over to the product on Amazon. It's my Amazon link. So if you use it and support the show, fantastic. I'll get 8 cents, maybe 4 cents, whatever. But every little bit helps, and I would always, of course, appreciate it. But if not, just go and look online for this reader. It is the Lexar Professional Dual Card Slot Reader. And literally for $29.95, I would have to say it's a godsend. It just simply works. And of course, as I've said in the past, go check out my website, because there's a lot of products that I've made that is that time type of oriented product. Products that will save you time in the long run, either with autofocus, either with your color, or either with your sensor or your lens, whatever it is. A lot of the things that I work on, I create, are always about that saving time, being able to get things done quicker, right? Saving us time, saving us money. As always, please, if you enjoy my content, give me a big thumbs up. That would be stellar. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you can get all my content when it becomes available, and click the bell icon so when it is available, you will be notified of it. And finally, head over to my website, JCristina.com, where you can find all the photography tools that I've invented for you and me over the years. And hopefully there's something there that you might like. And if there is, please pick it up and support me. I appreciate you so much, guys. Thank you for coming. Blessings to all of you. If there's anything that you can think of that not only saves you time, or if it's a life hack or something that just really is helpful to you, in the comment area, share it with the community. Share, share, share. Once again, like I always say, what I say in these videos are only a small portion to the value of these videos. Go down in the comments. You're going to find a lot of smart people with really great information. So please share yours as well. So that's it, guys. I'm out of here. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.